Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 5 of How to Crochet for Absolute Beginner series. Today I am going to show you how to crochet a double crochet stitch. I have already described single crochet and half double crochet in my previous video. If you haven't watched those videos, then I recommend you pausing here and go and check those videos so you can easily understand my this tutorial. Now let's get started by making a slip knot. Make a slip knot. I have already uploaded the tutorial of how to tie a slip knot. Now tighten the knot and work total of chain 12 or 13. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now make another chain. Now normally in half double crochet we just yarn over and insert the hook into the second chain or third chain from the hook and yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops, but in double crochet stitch you can see this is my first chain and this is my second chain from the hook and this is my third chain from the hook. I am going to skip these 2 chains. In double crochet stitch, yarn over and skip these 2 chains, 1 and 2, and into the third chain from the hook, insert the hook and pull up the loop. Now in half double crochet, we normally just yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops, but in double crochet stitch, yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. Now yarn over and pull. You have 2 loops left on the hook and pull through these. This is double crochet stitch. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain and pull up the loop. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is double crochet stitch. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over and follow the same stitch pattern until you reach the end of the chain. Now I have reached the end. This is my last chain. Pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You can see this is my double crochet stitch row. Now chain 2, 1 and 2 and turn your work. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the first chain and pull up the loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, full stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the hook into the pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now follow the same stitch pattern. I am going to show you only 2 rows. You can practice more rows until you get perfect. Yarn over, insert the hook into the full stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 2 and turn your work. Yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. Now this is my double crochet stitch, and that's it. I have crocheted total of 3 rows. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel to follow for more crochet tutorials and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.